Good morning, students. First, a quick recap of what we have learned last time. Everything we look around is matter. Matter is made up of molecules, and molecules in turn are made up of atoms. So, all substances, whether elements or compounds, are made of molecules. A molecule of an element contains atoms of only one kind. For example, two oxygen atoms combine to form an oxygen molecule. A molecule of a compound contains atoms of two or more types. For example, in a water molecule, two atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of oxygen. So, students, what are atoms? Atoms are the smallest units of matter that have the properties of an individual element. Children, when you read a book, you see that a page contains many words. A word is formed by the letters of English alphabet. In English, there are 26 alphabets. These 26 alphabets can form thousands of words. Similarly, in chemistry, there are about 120 elements. 120 elements can combine in many combinations to give millions of types of substances. Students, let's say you have a bar of gold. You know that bar is made of matter because everything is made of matter. Because it is pure gold, there are only gold atoms in the bar. If you had only one atom of gold in your hand, it would have the same properties as every other gold atom in the bar. Students, today we shall study about the structure of atom. Atoms are the building blocks of all materials. But what are atoms made of? Atoms are made up of still smaller particles which are termed as fundamental or subatomic particles. These are neutrons, protons, and electrons. Protons have a positive charge, electrons have a negative charge, whereas neutrons have no charge. Now let us see how these subatomic particles are arranged in an atom. At the center of the atom, there is a nucleus, which consists of protons and neutrons. And at a distance from the nucleus, there are electrons revolving around it. The nucleus is positively charged due to the protons, but the same number of electrons revolve around the nucleus and balance the positive charge of the nucleus. So, an atom has no net charge on it. Or we can say that an atom is electrically neutral. Thus, in an atom, the number of positively charged protons in the nucleus is always equal to the number of negatively charged electrons revolving around the nucleus. Hydrogen atom is an exception to this structure. In the hydrogen atom, the nucleus has only one proton. It does not have any neutron. An electron revolves around the nucleus to make it electrically neutral. Now, let us see the structure of oxygen atom. It has got 8 protons and 8 neutrons in the nucleus. The positive charge of 8 protons is balanced by the negative charge of 8 electrons revolving around the nucleus in their respective orbits. Children, it is really amazing to realize that the structure of atom is similar to that of a solar system. The massive nucleus in the center resembles the sun, whereas lighter electrons resemble the planets revolving in their respective orbits. Because of this, people have speculated that perhaps atoms are like tiny solar systems. Thank you.